Pinterest Settings Tutorial, Privacy, Security and Personalization Explained. Pinterest isn't just about pretty pins, it's also about control. From privacy to personalization, your settings shape your Pinterest experience. In this video, we're walking through the essential account settings you need to configure to protect your data, streamline your profile, and make Pinterest work for you. Accessing account settings. To get started, go to your profile and click the gear icon for settings. Here you'll find controls for your email, username, password, and linked social accounts. Make sure your username matches your brand for consistency and discoverability. Privacy settings. Under Privacy settings, you control who sees what. Want to keep things private? Use secret boards, perfect for planning or drafts. You can also collaborate with others using group boards and choose if they're visible to the public or private to contributors only. Search privacy settings. Want to stay off Google's radar? Enable the search privacy setting to prevent your profile and pins from appearing in external search engines. For business accounts looking to grow, keep this off to stay discoverable. Personalization settings. Pinterest tracks how you interact with content to tailor your experience. In personalization settings, you can choose if Pinterest can use your off-site activity to improve recommendations, leave it on for better suggestions, or off for more privacy. Notification settings. Don't want to be overwhelmed by alerts? Customize your notifications to only get updates that matter. You can turn on push notifications for real-time engagement, or keep it simple with a clean inbox. Security settings and two-factor authentication. Keep your account secure with two-factor authentication, 2FA. It adds an extra layer of protection with a secondary login code. You can also check active sessions and log out from any suspicious devices. Linked accounts. Streamline login with linked accounts, like Google or Facebook. But if you want to tighten security, unlink what you don't need. Managing multiple Pinterest accounts. You can switch without logging out, just stay organized. Ad personalization. Pinterest also personalizes ads based on your interests. In ad settings, decide whether Pinterest can track your activity for more relevant promotions. For businesses, these tools help fine-tune ad targeting. Comment controls. Protect your content by managing comment settings. Disable or restrict comments on pins to avoid spam or negativity, especially important if your content goes viral. Final tips. Pinterest gives you full control over how your account behaves. From branding and visibility to engagement and security, your settings make all the difference. Take 10 minutes to review them. It's worth it. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe. Comment below, what setting do you think more people should be using on Pinterest?